Hey fellow campers, here's how I do my outdoor shower. I've shared about my indoor shower, which is really key, of course, especially during winter time or when you need privacy or anything like that. But the outdoor shower is pretty key at times like this, when I just got back from a mountain bike ride and it was a little bit muddy because we just had our first snow of the season and it's all melted off now, but that's a problem. It's still a little wet in some places in the trees. I wasn't expecting that, and so I got a little sprayed with mud, or I got quite sprayed with mud on this mountain bike ride. So here's how I do an outdoor shower. It's very simple. I keep my outdoor shower kit right here, so it's always handy. I just used it yesterday, so there's a few drips of water still in the hose. And here's all I have to do. All right, simply push in, and it's like 1/8 of a turn, and that's it. It's on. I actually can leave. I have hot and cold here. I think I'm just going to actually use hot only because it's a little chilly right now. And I've got it in shower mode, so that's it. Pretty great way. Wash off that trail, mud, dirt, sand from the beach. Whatever it may be. I used this out in Colorado a little while ago to wash off my bike after it got really muddy on a ride, and it was just so muddy. I wanted to get it cleaned off. You can wash off a surfboard, you know, whatever. Give yourself just a little rinse. Because it's hot water right here, it's fantastic. You know, it's not cold or anything. And this here is the quick connect outdoor shower setup that I have. Certainly I recommend it. It's worked great. It's been leak free, and it's great to have that nice option to have both hot and cold water for rinsing off bikes or yourself or anything else. So thanks for watching. I look forward to sharing a lot more with you soon. Please do subscribe and share with others. Thank you. Bye.